English 3. Students' Book 2.
Unit 15. Do you have any toys? Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
What's that? It's my robot. Do you have a robot? No, I don't.
B.
Do you have a teddy bear? Yes, I do.
Activity 2. Point and say.
Do you have a car? Yes, I do. Do you have a robot? No, I don't.
Page 31. Lesson 1. Activity 4. Listen and number. 1,
Do you have a puzzle? Yes, I do.
2,
Do you have a yo-yo? No, I don't. I have a robot.
3,
Do you have a ball? Yes, I do.
4,
Do you have a car?
No, I don't. I have a yo-yo.
Page 32. Lesson 2. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
Does your brother have a robot?
Yes, he does.
B.
Does he have a puzzle?
No, he doesn't.
Page 32. Lesson 2. Activity 2. Point and say.
Does he have a yo-yo?
Yes, he does.
Does she have a plane?
No, she doesn't.
Page 33. Lesson 2. Activity 4. Listen and tick. A.
Does Mai have a skipping rope? Yes, she does.
B.
Does Peter have a yo-yo? No, he doesn't.
C.
Does Nam have a teddy bear? No, he doesn't. But he has a kite.
D.
Does Linda have a puzzle? Yes, she does.
Page 33. Lesson 2. Activity 6. Let's sing. Linda has a little doll.
Linda has a little doll, little doll, little doll. Linda has a little doll, its dress is white and brown. Everywhere that Linda goes, Linda goes, Linda goes. Everywhere that Linda goes, that doll is sure to go.
Page 34. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
Plane. She has a plane. Ship. Do you have a ship?
Page 34. Lesson 3. Activity 2. Listen and write. 1,
Linda has a ship.
2,
My brother doesn't have a plane.
Page 34. Lesson 3. Activity 3. Let's chant. Do you have a doll?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you have a doll? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you have a car? No, I don't. No, I don't. Does he have a puzzle? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Does he have a plane? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Does she have a robot? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Does she have a teddy bear? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
Page 36. Review 3. Activity 1. Listen and tick. 1,
Who's that?
That's my father.
2,
This is my bedroom. Oh, it's nice.
3,
Where's your yo-yo?
It's there, on the shelf.
4,
Are there any maps in your classroom?
Yes, there are 2.
5,
Do you have a robot?
No, I don't. But I have a doll.
Page 36. Activity 2. Listen and number. 1,
I have a new toy.
What is it?
It's a kite.
2,
That's the garden. Come and have a look. Oh, it's beautiful.
3,
Where's your sister?
She's in the kitchen with my mother.
4,
How many posters are there in your room?
There are 2.
Page 38. Short story. Cat and Mouse, Part 3. Activity 1. Read the story. Put these lines in the correct bubbles. Then listen and check. Who's Mimi?
She's my sister.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Where are they?
They're here. This is my sister Mimi and this is my sister Nini.
Hello?
Hello! And that's my brother Jack.
Hello?
Hello!
How many rooms are there in your house?
8.
8 rooms. That's a big house.
Yes, it's a big mouse house.
A big mouse house. That's nice.
Yes, it is.
Page 39. Activity 4. Complete the conversation between Mew and Mimi. Hello, my name's Mew. What's your name?
My name's Mimi.
Nice to meet you, Mimi.
Nice to meet you too, Mew.